Hi my super sweet crafty friends, welcome to my channel, Carolina's Creations Handmade. Today I want to share with you a super amazing Hobby Lobby haul. Thank you so much for joining me. Please guys, watch as long as you can. It will help my channel a lot. So if you watch till the end, I would appreciate it a lot. I also wanted to say thank you so much. I reached 20,000 subscribers and I'm going to have a Cricut Joy giveaway, and I'm going to have some events to celebrate my 20,000 subscribers, so keep an eye for that. And I found a lot of different things at Hobby Lobby. I thought I was probably not going to find much because I went before. As you know, if you saw my prior haul, I'm going to link to it here if you haven't, and down in the description below, so you go watch it. I found a lot of different things there too. And I went back because I had another test to get done, and my husband dropped me at Hobby Lobby real quick. So please, if you want to send good vibe sprayers, they would be really appreciated. And I don't want to really bug you a lot with that, but I'm having a lot of tests done and work and all that, so it's been really busy for me. But I'm going to try my best to get that tutorial out for you before the end of this week. So let's do the haul here. I found a lot of things here. Look at this. Agenda 52, and this is so super cute, and it was only $149 instead of $5.99. It has all these little stickers for planners. Super cool. I found also this from Agenda 52, also from the Paper Studio. Things to do, $124 instead of $4.99, and I'm going to use this in different ways that I'm going to share with you later on my videos. Weekly planner. I love this. $112 instead of $4.49. It has plenty of pages and it has the weekdays in there. I also found this, and this has 40 sheets. $4.49 instead of $112, and I love that this is dotted. I'm not sure if you can, yeah, you can see it there. So I really love this. I think there are different colors. You can see here the different colors you get. This one is $1.99 instead of $7.99. I love these planner pages. Super nice, but I also want to use this in different ways that I'm going to share with you later. I also found these stickers, and those are patches, actually, adhesive patches, 99 cents instead of $3.99. Super cool. I love all those girls. So nice to decorate your planners and different things. I also found these gemstones. These are 74 cents instead of $2.99. I love that they're white. I don't think I have many whites, so I really love finding that. I found also, and these are from the Paper Studio, all of this. I also found this one, 99 cents instead of $3.99. Look at how many are there, and I just love this color. And I also found these little gemstones, $124 instead of $4.99, and those are the tiny white ones. I love that too. I found this gems also, 99 cents instead of $3.99, and I just love the black gems. I don't think I have any like that. And then I also found from the Paper Studio those bottle caps. They're black, 99 cents instead of $3.99, and I just love them. 12 pieces. It's really inexpensive, so I had to get that. I found, guys, a lot of googly eyes. You're not going to believe this. On clearance too, so some of them are 74 cents, some of them are 99 cents. So here are the super teeny tiny ones, 74 cents instead of $2.99, and they come 430 pieces here. It's crazy. I have googly eyes forever. 74 cents again instead of $2.99, 410 pieces. These are the little bigger ones, so you can see here the tiny ones, the bigger ones. And then I found this here, the colored ones, and these are 49 cents instead of $1.99. They come 150 in a pack. I also found this, and I just love this with the eyelashes. So these ones are colored ones, and 60 come in a pack for 49 cents instead of $1.99. I found some more in here that I'm going to share with you. Amazing. I went crazy with googly eyes. I couldn't believe the prices. So 74 cents instead of $2.99, and they come 46 in a pack. And look at this, guys. Googly eyes. Aren't they crazy looking? I can't wait to use them on my crafts. So I was happy to find them for so inexpensive. 49 cents instead of $1.99. They come 14 pieces in a pack, and look at these big eyes. And I don't know if you guys saw, I have a video that I'm going to share with you here on the link and down on the description below about how I make a sock bunny, and I used some of those big eyes, and I think they look adorable. 49 cents instead of $1.99, 30 pieces. Look at this googly eyes, the bigger ones. And I found here, those I guess are medium size, and 40 pieces, 49 cents instead of $1.99. Look at them. They're the color ones. with the eyelashes on. Super cool. And then I found these ones are the smaller size of the little googly eyes. Super nice. $2.99 instead of 74 cents instead of $2.99, and they come 56 in a pack. I think I'm gonna have googly eyes forever. I also found on the spare part 99 cents instead of $3.99. This is also from the Paper Studio. Look at the snowflakes. These are perfect for upcoming holiday crafts for Christmas holidays. So I'm going to be using those. I also found this. Oh, look at how stinking cute this is. Just $2.74 instead of $9.99. Look at those ice cream cones. Aren't they super adorable? These are glass and they're so stinking cute. I hope that my camera is focusing so you can see them. It's kind of hard, but they're so cute. And I found this one, 24 instead of $4.99, and I just love this. These are sort of like iridescent. Love them. And I love the other colors, and I think these colors actually will work perfect with the Flourish collection from Maggie Holmes. $124 instead of $4.99. Love this beads. And then finally from beads, I found this little donut beads. Look at them. Aren't they so stinking cute? $2.49 instead of $9.99. And those are also glass. So stinking cute. I can wait to make charms with them. So I found also this. $3.24 instead of $12.99. This is from Jane Davenport, and it's a stylo pen. It's a fine line brush pen. I just love it. Look at that. Gold, super cute. And I believe this one is black. Yeah, so amazing. And for that price, I also found another one of this, $2.24 instead of $8.99. Ultimate pen. These are waterproof, and I just love the color. Look at that, how cute. So look at this, guys. Look at what I found. This is our pastels from Jane Davenport, $4.99 instead of $19.99. This is a chilled color palette. Look at how beautiful. I just love that they look like makeup, like eye makeup. Love them. And then I found here also this one, and this is the birthday suit. So this has a lot of like skin tones in them. Love this. So nice. And only $4.99 instead of $19.99. This was super amazing, crazy value. I also found these stencils. These are sticky stencils, and they're $2.49 instead of $9.99. They're a little dusty there. And I just love those patterns. Look at that. So stinking cute. So I can't wait to try this on my crafts. I also found this, and this was in kind of like the doll section where you have like the doll houses and things that you can create. $1.99 instead of $7.99. I usually don't look at this, but I think this would be perfect to use for the cover of a mini album. And then I found also this one. I just love them. $2.24 instead of $8.99. So nice. $174, and this one is $6.99 regularly. It's a Westcott cutter. It's a retractable one. It's a ceramic blade, so this is nice. And look at this! Crocodile Power Punch from We Are Memory Keepers. Isn't this amazing? $4.24 instead of $15.99. I love that this has a 2-inch wrench. You can actually punch 2 inches into your project. So this is super cool. $4.74 instead of $15.99. Super amazing price. So happy with it. And it's a 1/4-inch circle. So amazing. 99 cents instead of $3.99. This was on a jewelry section, and I think this will be perfect to decorate the bands of traveler's notebooks. Only 99 cents. Perfect. Go explore. I found this 99 cents, and these are pins. I love the little tube, and I love the color of the pins. I usually don't use them as pins, but I use them for crafting. So these are tag punches, and this one, the size is 2.67 inches, the tag. $4.99 instead of $19.99. This is from the Paper Studio. You can see the size in there from the tag and the shape. I really like this. Then I found a medium one. And I love finding the different sizes because you can make shakers this way. Super easy, and it won't take any time because you just punch. $3.99 instead of $15.99. This one is 2.23 inches. So look at that. You can actually line them up and make shakers with them. Super cool. And then you have here the smaller one is $2.99 instead of $11.99. This one is 1.375 inches. So this one is a little too tiny to make it into a shaker for this, but it's super cool to use it for tags for little presents and things. So I found some more things here. Some of them are not on clearance. They were 50% off, so I wanted to share them with you too. But look at this. Look at this watch. If you guys seen my videos, you guys know that I'm crazy for watches. I just love watches, so I collect them. I usually don't buy watches that are this inexpensive because I don't think they are very lasting. I think they get damaged pretty easy. But this was so inexpensive, $3.99 instead of $7.99, and I just like the little watch. So I was like, well, you know what? Even if it's a one-time throwaway, it's really super inexpensive. So I love it. I found this 99 cents instead of $3.99. These are two little acorns, and I think this would match perfect with the marigold collection from Mickey Holmes. It has a lot of like little acorns and squirrels and things like that, so I think this would look super cute for charms for projects. So I found also these tiles. I have no clue what I'm going to do with them, but I just love these gold ones, and I think like I may use this for something. So 99 cents instead of $3.99. Both of them were 99 cents instead of $3.99. Glass mosaic, and one is clear gold, the other one is white navy. So I found two more dies. This is actually not a die, but I just love that you can actually use this to emboss your project. So I don't have a foiling machine, but I think this would be perfect to emboss your project. So I bought it for that. $21.99 regular price. I got it for $5.49. And then I got this one. This is a zebra background. I think it's pretty cool looking, and I think it's perfect to do a shaker piece also. So $3.74 instead of $14.99. This one's from Mementa. This one's from Spellbinders. I found also this, and this beads were 50% off. So I paid $2.99 for each, $2.98. And look at how super cool. So these are the alphabet, gold and silver. I also found this fur ribbon. This is so hard to find when they're on sale. So this is regularly $7.99. It was 50% off. So I paid $3.98 or something like that. Super cool. These are so beautiful. I love that fur. And then I got this one. Look at that color. Isn't that gorgeous? $4.99. This looks velvet ribbon, and these are perfect to make little balls. So I think this would be perfect for some projects that I'm trying to make. And then I bought this blue. I like this blue too. So I found tons of yarn on clearance and amazing prices. Look at this beautiful yarn. Look at how gorgeous this white yarn is. $1.24 instead of $5.99. Just love this. Can't wait to make a little tassel with this. I found this eyelash trim, $1.74 instead of, what is $6.99. Amazing. Look at how beautiful this trim is. Gorgeous. Love that pink. I also found this eyelash trim, and this is also $1.74 instead of $6.99. This seems to have more quantity than the other one, but maybe it's because of the thickness of it. I'm not sure. But look at how beautiful this is for Christmas projects. Amazing. I also found this. I just love this color. Look at this. I think I'm going to use them for a project that you're going to love. So I'm going to share with you that soon. And this one was $1.24 instead of $4.99. Love the colors. I also found this. This one was $1.24 again instead of $4.99. These are teal multi, and this is blue multi, 23 yards each. I also found this little guy here. I have no clue what I'm going to do with this, but I just like it, so I had to get it. 99 cents instead of $3.99. Those are all from Yarn B. Look at this, guys. I couldn't believe this when I saw it on clearance. This one is $2.49 instead of $9.99. These are perfect to make so many different projects, and I can't wait to share with you guys. These are amazing. The price is super awesome. $9.99 regularly, and I paid only $2.49 for this. I also found this one, and this is the bigger one. Look at this, Yarn B. And this is $4.99 instead of $19.99. I could not believe how lucky I was to find them for $4.99 only. My goodness, I cannot wait to share with you some projects to do with this. Look at this color. It's all crazy. It's all unraveled there, but I love it. $19.99. The regular price I paid $4.99 for this. This one is succulent. Look at how beautiful. I cannot wait to play with that. I found this, and this is perfect for some holiday projects I'll be sharing with you. $4.99 instead of $19.99. Look at how big. They come 120 yards in a pack. This is my favorite color of them. That and the kind of like gray minty and the other one. So $4.99 instead of $19.99. Look at how beautiful. Oh my goodness, guys, I cannot wait to make some projects with this. So if you go to the fabric section, on one side of the aisles, sometimes they have little pieces that they sell discounted. So this one is $7.09 regular price, so I got it for $4.25. And this is 54 inches by 16 inches. And this is sort of like a velvety green. I love the color, I love the green of this, and I think this would be perfect to make some balls. And I can use this to make some Christmas projects, to decorate some Christmas projects. So this is so amazing. I love the texture of this. Then I found this felt, and this one is 45 inches by 3/4 yards. Regularly $4.49, I got it for $2.69, and I just love how thick it is. Look at this. Perfect for holiday crafting. I also got this, and this I got because I'm going to share a project with you using a tool that Plaid sent me, and I think this is going to end up being one of the gorgeous projects. This one was $5.99, but they have 40% discount right now on anything holiday Christmas. So this was really inexpensive, and this would be something that you could sell at your craft fairs. Then I found this. Look at this, guys. I just love this. It has 3 tiers, and it was only $9.99. $9.99, and the regular price of it is inside, and it's $39.99. So I got this for $9.99 instead of $39.99, and look at how awesome this is. This would be perfect to place on my craft room, to place little items in it, and I think this would be so awesome. I couldn't believe this. I found also this is a storage nested box set. And it contains 4 nested boxes with lids, $8.99, and I found it for $2.24. So this is the size of the smallest one. How cool is that? And I plan to alter them. And then you have here the bigger one. The great thing is that you can nest them to store them. So this is the 3rd largest. You can put them in. And then finally you have the bigger one, so it's $2.24 instead of $8.99. Look at that, super awesome. This will be perfect to store some items for my craft room. So amazing. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope that you like my haul. And oops, I forgot to share with you also, I got these little letters also from Bead Design & Co. $5.99. This was on the jewelry section, and they were 50% off. So super nice. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Don't forget to keep an eye for my next video. I'm going to share with you my tutorial for my water portfolio, hopefully before the end of the week. Again, I apologize. I've been dealing with some health issues lately, but I don't want to bore you with that. So I ask that you please, guys, send some good vibes and some prayers and positive thoughts. They would be really helpful. So I also want to let you know again, I'm going to be making a video soon to post my events to celebrate my 20,000 subscribers. I cannot believe it. Thank you guys so much for all your love, your support. You mean the world to me. You don't have any idea how much your comments, all the love, your emails, your messages mean to me, and how they brighten my day each and every time. So thank you so much. And I again will be giving away a Cricut Joy machine, and also I'm going to have an event that I'm going to try to gather some other crafters with, and we're going to do also some other giveaways. So keep an eye for that. I hope you're doing well, staying safe. Please, guys, stay safe and keep each other safe. I love you so much, and I hope you're doing well, and I'll see you back here soon for my next video. Bye bye. Love you guys. Mwah.